Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve one of the again easiest problem from the lead code, and since it is a very easy problem, it has been asked multiple times in many companies as well. So in this problem, let's jump to basically the description of the problem, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and share. So it is asking there are two strings S and T. Return true if the T is anagram of S and false otherwise. An anagram is a word or a phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically used using all the original letters exactly once. So basically in this, there is a S is given, and if you see the T is nothing but the reordering of all the letters. So there shouldn't be any new letters, or there shouldn't be any extra letters when you are creating an anagram. That is the condition. So uh, in this basically only the orders has to be different. So we have to see whether these two are I mean T is the anagram of the S, right? So to solve this problem, I mean this is a very easy problem. One approach would be just sort this S and T and see if both strings are equal, since only the orders are different, right? And that will give you the answer. But in that case, if you're sorting, the complexity would be increased, and that will become your n log n, right? So to reduce the complexity, what we have to do is somehow we have to just check all the characters that uh, they are equal, and even the counts are equal, right, for both string S and T. So that is some kind of intuition. And also one thing to notice is since the order is only different, the length shouldn't be different. If the length is different, it means it cannot be anagram, right? So that is a simple intuition we have for this problem, and let's quickly try to solve this, right? So one thing we know that the length, if the length of a S is not equal to length of the T, right? It means this can T cannot be anagram of this. That is for sure, right? So we can simply say that is return false. Now to check every other character, whether it's whether the S character is present in the T and even the count is the same or not. What we can see, what we can use some kind of dictionary, right? Just to identify. So if you're using any other programming language, I am definitely sure that you will able to calculate for every character what is the count, right, in a given S. And then the same thing you have to just verify in the T. So in Python, there is a library which we can take advantage of. We can use counter, and we can simply get the count of every character. So this way I got the, you know, every character of S in the SC variable and count and all, right? The same thing I can do for T, right? Now SC and S and TC, they are the variables which are storing each character and what is their count. It is same thing, right? It's creating a dictionary. And simply what we have to do, we have to iterate one of the any one of the string, right? So in this case, let me just quickly go to the iterate over the S counter, and I have to see. So what I'm doing is I am taking all the keys from this S counter. So if K is not present, right, in the TC, it means if the character is not present. So just to give you a little bit of idea how it is storing is, um, it would be storing like A, right? And how many count is there? A, one, two, three. So there are three, right? If it is N, it would be storing one count. So something like this SC would be storing, and TC will also be storing something like this, right? A would be 3, N would be 1. Actually, this is semicolon only, right? So What we are doing, we are iterating from SC and we are taking each character. Every time K is representing character. And if this character is not present in TC, it means that is not the anagram, right? Because it has to be there, even the count has to be same. So I hope you have got some idea. So then simply what we have to do, let me just quickly remove it. If this is the case, then simply return the false because we know that that can not be possible to form the anagram. We have to also check if SC, the key. I mean, now we are going to check the count for a given character if the count is not same, right? So if that is the case, then again we can say this is this is not possible. And if these two cases are not happening, right, and we are come to end of the our counter, it means everything is equal and satisfied. Then we can return true, right? This is all the code, I think. Let me quickly verify it and let me submit it. And yeah, it's working. So that's all for this problem, guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box. See you in the next video. Thank you.